What's up everyone, welcome to the 6th video of developing Android application for your Android mobile phone. And in this video and look forward to main part of developing Android application. As you know that we have gone step by step and we have downloaded so many things that we are going to and finally work with making a project right now. So before I proceed, I need to explain you some XML. First thing what are the steps we did before proceeding to this video. So first of all, what we did, we actually downloaded JDK Java Development Kit. If not, in previous video and watch all of the videos and then jump back to this video. If not, if you have any problem with that, comment it down below so I'll help you with that. Right now we have downloaded JDK, then we have downloaded an IDE, then we are going to learn XML, and then we will look forward to making application using Java, and then we will finally reach out to make an application interactive with user. Then we are going to go ahead and convert it into APK file, and everything will be done slowly but surely. So as you know that we have reached by downloading all of those things which has been needed. And if you are watching this video, I really thank you for watching this video after watching all of the downloading and boarding part. So in this video, I'll explain you about XML. So as we can see in front of your screen, I'm not using Android Studio for explaining you XML, because in XML you will find out much more better ways how you can understand how it actually works, because Android Studio is like pretty intimidating. It's very messed up. Whenever you just and see it for the first time, it is like, what the heck am I looking at? Am I going to code in this one? Of course, and learn coding finally in that way only, because in starting way you might get confused. So better for that I use XML visualizer. So I'm going to go ahead and teach you on that. So explain you about views. There are type of views and we need to understand how this type of views work. For example, and watch any tutorial, for example, and visit whatsapp.com, and there you can see in my WhatsApp there are a list of things which you can see inside your WhatsApp. It's like, as you can see, an image view, then we will have a bar, and then in the bar if you click on it you will find out that it is written as text. So as you can see, whenever you can open up your WhatsApp, you will find something which is like image, then you have tabs, and then you will get list of line, and then everything is inside a text. So first of all, I can teach you about text view and image view in this video. Then we will go and look forward to how we can customize everything inside an XML. And don't worry, if you forget anything and look forward to Android Studio, you will find out it is very easy, and you will find out it is pretty much very easier for you to understand. So as you can see in front of your screen, text view. So this is where I'm going to go ahead and write my codes, and this is my mobile phone. Whatever things we write over here, it is going to apply it over here inside this phone. Right now, as you can see, text view, it has been written. So there you know that this is a text view, and you can see it that capital T and capital V is being used for text view. Same way it is going to appear inside, and I know it is going to give me error because I have not teach you about view groups, but let me show you how it is going to look forward to it. Type IMAGE image VIE view, and then you close it like this, and then type IMAGE VIEW, and then this is going to be the close tag for it. So as you can see, this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. But best of all you need to do is you just close it like that. This is also the closing tag, and whatever you do inside this one will be, right now this is image view, and whatever you see right now, you are watching some errors, but forget about that. Just concentrate on whatever the codes I have written on top. So this is the image view and this is text view. So inside here you have to type Android, and it is like HTML somewhat, but this is little bit different of XML inside Android Studio. So every time you write, you have to type Android. Don't worry, Android Studio is going to handle everything and it is and write it for you. As you know that whenever we start the application, it automatically created a hello world application for you before you write any code. So that was pretty nice with Android Studio. It is actually helping you out to make an application much more faster and much more easier for you. So as you know that Android text is Nazir, so whatever text I have written and applied over here. So here you can see layout width is wrap content, layout height is wrap content, text size is 24 sp. Don't worry about sp and dp and explain you about text sizes and remove this one. Okay, so now as you can see, copy this one and paste it right over here. So this is image, so text won't appear over here. So this is how image view and text view are going to be look inside your Android Studio. So here you can see Nazir has been written, and here and change the size of my text. It is going to apply on your mobile phone. So next line and explain you about wrap content and layout height as wrap content, layout width as wrap content. Layout width is actually, you can see it right over here, and height will be from top to bottom, from left to right is width, and from top to bottom is height. So wrap content, and there will be another one which is known as match parent. So let me just close this one and type match match. Make sure to keep everything in small caps. match underscore parent. If you forget this code, don't worry, Android Studio is going to look forward to and help you with that. I'm using another way, not using Android Studio, but Android Studio is going to be the master for you and is going to be your best friend. Don't be happy because Android Studio has still many errors in that as well. So that's the reason Android Studio keeps on updating right now. If you're watching this video, after some times Android Studio will be having a good stand. So okay, so match parent is going to find total size of what is from left to right, and if I type like wrap content, it is going to be just the size of Nazir. So let me just go ahead and give it a background, AND ROID BACKGROUND background, and keep it as red. Okay, it is not appearing because I have not written the code of background, so maybe that's the problem, but in sometimes you know that how you can change it later on. But I hope you got the point of my explanation. So right now I taught you about text view and image view. I hope you find it useful because this basic is going to be help you in future progress, because nobody explained this in depth. They are just going and rush it inside their video and keep it smooth and make your basic strong. So maybe if in future projects your basic won't give you any error in that. So see you guys in the next video.